Dear students, today I am going to explain about the term mole concept. So, mole concept, it is a relationship between the amount of substance and number of particles present in it. So, it is defined as the relation between amount of a substance having one atomic mass or one molar mass. So this amount of substance, children, is either one atomic mass, means the amount is equal to the atomic weight of the element, or it is equal to the molecular weight of substance having a fixed number of particles. So the number of particles, that is 6.022 10 to the power 23, and this is nothing but this is Avogadro number. This number is Avogadro number. So this is the statement of mole concept. So it is a relationship. It is a relationship between the amount of substance having one. So amount of substance, you may put here bracket, having one, and having fixed number of particles. So in brief, what we can say, mole concept in brief can be expressed as one mole of a substance. 1 mole of a substance is equal to atomic weight or molar weight or molecular mass, and it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So this is the mole concept, and the number of particles can be either atoms or molecules or ions or electrons or protons. So this, children, 1 mole of any substance have either atoms or molecules or ions or electrons or protons. So this is the basic introduction and explanation about the mole concept. Now, very important part, children, in the mole concept, about the mole, the term mole, simply it is also called as MOL. So see, first I am going to tell about the MOL. So this mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. SI unit of amount of substance, it is international unit of amount of substance, and this is the name or the term. However, there is no difference, both are same, just we express like this. Now children, if you talk of 1 mole of nitrogen, 1 mole of nitrogen atoms, nitrogen gaseous atoms. Here I have written atoms. So here we'll take the atomic mass. So it will be equal to atomic mass of nitrogen, and it is nothing but it is 14U. But if you take nitrogen nitrogen gas. So nitrogen gas, it is N2. So it is how much? 2 into 14 is equal to 28 gram or 28 U. This is the point. When we talk of 1 mole of H2O, so it is hydrogen 1 into 2 plus 16, it is 18U. So U, unified mass. Nowadays we do not use gram, we use unified mass. Gram is not incorrect, but it has become outdated, it has become obsolete. So it is unified mass. Similarly, 1 mole glucose, the molecular mass of glucose has to be taken. 1 mole, so it will be molar mass of glucose. Similarly, 1 mole carbon dioxide, so it will be molar mass of CO2. So similarly, we have this. So this is the one concept. Now I am going to explain about the applications of mole concept, children. So mole concept has very important application in the chemistry. In all the scientific calculations, mole concept is involved. And so first point is how we calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of a substance. Number of moles. How we calculate number of moles in a given amount? So it is equal to the amount of substance. Amount of given substance. Amount of given substance upon atomic mass. We divide by atomic mass or molar mass. So if the substance is an element, then we take the atomic weight or atomic mass. If it is a molecule, then we'll take the molar mass. So this is the first point. Now children will see the numerical part. Suppose very simple, calculate number of moles present in 44 gram CO2 sample. So number of moles have to be calculated in 44 gram of carbon dioxide sample. So in this case, first we have to find out the molecular mass. So we will start with the molecular mass. Molecular mass of CO2. And so what is molecular mass? It is the addition of atomic mass. So carbon 12, oxygen 16 into it will be how much? 32. So it will be how much? 44 U. Is that clear? It is 44 U. Now number of moles. Number of moles in 44 gram CO2. So here it is 44. So it is 44 upon this molar mass 44. So it will be equal to 1 mole. It can be written as 1 mole. Both are correct. Just as explained. So this is the first very important part to note. Similarly, in other way, if number of moles are given, then we may find either molar mass, it can be atomic mass, and the amount, or vice versa. Now, other question, calculate the amount of water present in 2 moles. Simple is how much? 2 moles. So again same point. We will calculate the molar mass of water. So first is molar mass of water. It is H2O. So hydrogen 2 plus 16 is equal to 18U. Now we'll find out the amount. So what is the formula? Number of moles is equal to amount of substance upon molar mass. So here number of moles is equal to 2. Let amount be x, and so here it will be 18. So x will be equal to how much? 36 gram. It will be equal to 36 grams. So this is the way how we find out. So this is about the first way, about the moles. Now I am going to explain second application of mole concept to find out the weight of an atom. Weight of an atom or weight of a molecule. So simply children, weight of an atom or it can be molecule, it will be equal to atomic weight or molar mass. If it is an element, as I have written here atom, so it will be atomic weight. If it is molecule, then it will be molar mass upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Children, these are very basic questions, and in physics and chemistry you can do better because these are basic calculations. Now see, very simple question. Calculate the weight of an atom of carbon 12, carbon 12, atomic weight. So simply the weight here, you write weight of sweet 12 atom. So 12 means the atomic number. So here we write 12, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So here we divide here, and so it will be 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. So this is the very much important point to note about the mole concept and its applications.